So hello friends, today we are discussing about IT security. In IT security, we will discuss about different abbreviation used in IT security. So let us start different abbreviations used in IT security. So first abbreviation we will use as GRC means governance, risk and compliance, on which we will discuss about different business owners and hierarchy of different business process owner, approving authorities, as well as IT policy and risk assessment and risk management. Second term we will use is IAM, identity and access management, which is use user means in any system when we are using creating the users on that system, so that users life cycle means that users creation, deletion and validity. So all these things comes under 2 IAM. So this is there is so many things involved in IAM, but today we are discussing about abbreviation. So abbreviation in identity and access management, then we have SSO, single sign on, then we have MFA, multi-factor authentication. In single sign on means we are entering in the system as well as we are accessing in the system with single sign on, means we will log in once and access lot of applications or systems or servers. So third word we will use is multi-factor authentication. On multi-factor authentication means more than one method of identification we will use in this one. Then we have rule based access control, RBAC. So in RBAC, what is happened, we are trying to create the roles and profiles of particular business users, and accordingly we are assigning roles and profiles to that user, and base will be SOD, segregation of duty. Then we have privilege access management. So this is also and abbreviation is PAM. So this is privilege access management, means higher end or critical servers if you want to access. So for that this concept is used. Then we have NDR, network detection and response. Then we have NGFW, that is next generation firewall. Then we have WAF, web application firewall. Then we have virtual private network. Then we have IDS and IPS. Then we have EDR, endpoint detection and response. Then we have SIAM, security information and event management. Then we have XDR, that is extended detection and response. Then we have UEBA, user and anti behavior analysis. Then SOAR, we have security orchestration, automation and response. Then we have IR, resident. Then we have IR, incident response. Then we have TIP, threat intelligence platform. Then we have IOC, indicator of compromise. Then we have RCA, root cause analysis. So all these words we will use in cyber security. So thank you gentlemen. We will come in second video of this topic. So good night, sabba khair.